Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm finna eat me some cornstarch. So I'm down the steps while my daughter's up the steps because she don't never let me eat. So I'm finna eat some cornstarch real quick. You know I tell her candy powder. So I can have a piece of mine. So let me go ahead and start.
Mom, what are you doing eating cornstarch? What are you doing eating cornstarch? You know I'm smart enough to know that. Since you want to eat...
Yeah, right. Yeah. What's that thing about?
Since you want to eat some candy powder, I'm going to help you eat it. Got it all in my clothes. Ow! Look at my clothes.
Did she just pull this? Oh my gracious. Did she just throw this stuff on me? I'm gonna kill you. Girl, you just throw this stuff on your mama. I'm finna kill her. I'm finna kill this girl. This girl, hold on. Let me get me some ginger. I'm glad you got. I'm
Got some in my hand. Me too. I'm so happy.
I'm
So happy.
You'll be so happy when I wake up behind that. You what?
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Don't put it in my...
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
Oh, I'm gonna
I'm so
kill you.
happy.
It is on.
I'm so happy.
Oh, you got it in my eyes. Oh, wait till I can see.
I'm so happy. I'm
Oh,
so happy.
this girl looks. Oh, I'm gonna whoop your behind, girl.
Me
Don't have this mouth.
I'm happy. I'm happy.
I got hair in my mouth.
I'm happy.
I'm happy your behind. And you gonna be saying, like you be saying, I'm gonna whoop that behind. Do you? Did you just do all this stuff on your mama?
What it look like?
My hair.
What it look like?
Oh, no. Stop it. That's enough. Stop it. I'm gonna kill this girl. I'm gonna kill this girl. Look at this. I'm gonna kill.
I'm so happy.
You better be glad.
I'm so happy.
Oh, I'm glad I didn't have on my day's clothes. But you
so
messed
happy.
my
I'm so happy.
Look at you. You wait till this camera go off.
I'm so happy.
I'm mad now. I'm mad. I'm gonna kill this girl. I'm gonna kill this girl. I'm gonna kill this girl. Look at this floor. It's out.
Can you wipe my clothes off?
I'm gonna wipe your behind off in a minute. You ain't gonna like the way I'm gonna do it in a minute.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
You girl
I'm so happy.
Look
I'm
at
so
my
happy.
hair. Look at
so
my
happy.
face.
I'm so happy.
I'm get this girl.
My mom not so happy, but I don't know why. But I'm happy.
Look at bubble like that. Oh, it's everywhere.
Can you wear my clothes on?
Drop that. I'm mad. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. Look at that. Got all my clothes.
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? This girl got me out dirty. I'm gonna kill that girl. I'm mad. I'm mad. I'm mad. Where's my cornstarch? She goes, so what you mad for? When I whoop your butt, you gonna see.
I'm so happy. I'm so
mad.
happy.
What a hat, y'all.
so
For
happy.
real. So happy, yeah. I'm whoop your behind. Look at this
But
mess.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'll clean up the floor. It's still white.
I know, thanks to you. You gotta pour everything in my dirty hair. Come on, oh, it's still white. Oh, of course it's white. You gotta put cornstarch out in my hair. What color you think it's supposed to be?
Gray.
I'm gonna whoop your behind. So you better stay away from me. 'Cause I'm gonna get you for this. I'm
So
gonna get
happy.
you.